Hi, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're here at a secret location in San Pedro with the Creative Photo Academy Infrared Workshop, and we're doing a live photo shoot today. You can see what infrared looks like, and it's awesome. What do you think, guys? Are we having fun today?
A lot of fun.
So we've got great landscapes, we have great models, we're having a lot of fun. This is the Point Fermin Lighthouse behind me, and it's just a fantastic day for infrared because we have bright sun. And why do I love infrared so much? Because with a normal camera, the sun is too harsh today. With a color camera, the sun is too harsh today. So with infrared, you get that beautiful sepia look straight out of the camera, and it gives a unique look that's just so fun and exciting. And I always like making new, fun, and exciting pictures. Come on out with us, join us, and if you have questions about infrared, give me a call, and I'll be glad to help you get started making amazing pictures, both in color and in infrared.